let's talk about creating and inserting table in Google Doc. We're gonna go to the insert, and then in here we have table. Now table, we're gonna I'm gonna tell you right now, okay, what it is and where it's row and column, and then we're gonna go through the projects. And projects, we're gonna be really thing we're gonna do with the image, we're gonna do with the table, and then you will understand a lot in table. And that's the only table thing that you should understand in project. Okay, you should understand that the use of table in project. I can say you can do a lot with table. Most of your work you can do with table, okay, because it's completely very clear and clean, and it's very easy. You just click on it and you just create it, and it's very beautiful looking if you create projects and classwork. So that's very easy. Okay, so we're gonna help and we're gonna teach you about it, so don't worry. So right now let's talk about how you can create it. Okay, this is the very quickest way. You can go to table, and then in here, now this is the row. Okay, sorry, this is column. Okay, you can see right now I have 20 column. Sorry, I have one column and 20 row. So this is row. Okay, this is row with one column. So I want to click in here, and it's done in here. So this is the table. You can see right now, and these are column, and these are the table. Now this has also options for you and for everyone. So you can click, you can see in here background, border, and also border width and border dash. For example, let's select all and go to here, and it says background color. So you can decide on background color of this, any color you want it. For example, let's pick up this color, very black. Okay, and then we have border, so let's pick up the white one. And we have also border color again. So what is border color? We have border width to decide on, so let's pick up this one. We have finally border dash if you want it. So that's the thing you should understand right now. And anytime you wanted to add more rows, so you hit tab. Okay, you hit tab and it's added more. Tab. And also we have much more other options. When you right click on it, it says insert row above, insert row below, insert column left, insert column right. Or we have deletion, delete row, delete column, delete table. Also we have distributing. And finally we have table properties. So in table properties, you can decide on table border, on dimensions, column width, minimum row height, cell background color, cell vertical alignment, cell padding, table alignment, column order, and finally left indent. So we can decide on any of this in here. Okay, I know you know all these, okay? I believe in you. So let's work through projects and understand the table even better. What is its use, what's its project, all of that. Okay, we're gonna learn it into next lecture.